Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase profit margins with service points and smart drop shipping. This is really powerful. We're going to jump right into it. And this is all about increasing your profit margins when you're doing drop shipping. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it the right way. And drop shipping, when you do drop shipping, your partner is incredibly important. Your drop shipping partner is literally your entire business. If you pick the wrong drop shipping partner, it's impossible, literally impossible to scale a big drop shipping business. It doesn't matter if you have great products, great marketing. If you don't have a good drop shipping partner, you have no chance for success. And a really popular strategy is to partner with Service Points and their smart drop shipping service to build a long-term, high profit margin dropshipping business on Shopify. Now, if you do this, you might run into some pain points. There are so many different dropshipping suppliers out there and so many different dropshipping stores that struggle because they pick the wrong supplier. They get inconsistent quality. They get a lack of professionalism, no chance to scale, no chance to be a long-term sustainable business if you pick the wrong partner. And that's why you need to pick Service Points. Service Points solves these pain points by offering a centralized platform where top private agents compete to work with you. They're going to say, hey, this agent can give you, $20 price, and this agent can give you $19 price with faster shipping, and this agent can give you $19.50 price with faster shipping and better quality, right? All these different agents that provide the same products and provide drop shipping services, they're able to work through Service Points with the smart drop shipping, giving you the ability to have people literally bid to work on you. And everything is automated. The fulfillment process is automated. Every single user gets a dedicated account manager for support. Super simple. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an advanced seller, and it's all completely free. That's why you need to use smart drop shipping. That's why you need to use Service Points. It's what I highly recommend. And you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how you'll be able to jump into this, and really more importantly, why you need to jump into this ASAP. And again, you see the link directly below this video. We'll jump into it right over here. And really, it's going to ask you this first question. How many orders do you process a day on average? And this is just an average, Basically, you want to see what kind of level you're at. And there's different service points and different service point options when you kind of click each button. So we'll start over here. Less than 10 days, definitely want to take a look at this video. This is all about SP Lite, right? Service Points Lite, and really, really great because super simple process. You sign up for free. Again, you see the link directly below this video. You get the onboarding, really easy to onboard and see everything. You connect your Shopify store. You sync all the data automatically. No technical skills required or anything. And then you start the bidding. This is the real cool part. Free and unique bidding system. The best suppliers of your products will literally bid to work with you. And this is going to mean you have competition for your suppliers, meaning you're going to get better prices, higher profit margins, faster shipping, better quality, better relationships with your suppliers when you use Service Points. And you'll be able to compare prices. You'll be able to compare performance of all the different suppliers that are bidding to be your supplier. They even have weekly training and coaching. Really, really powerful. You can't even compare this to working with Chinese suppliers or other drop shippers. SP Lite is 100% reliable, and it's going to get you the best price for all your products. And if you are a bigger seller, let's say you're selling more than 10 orders on a day, come over here and look at Service Points. This is the regular service. Still super easy. You're going to have this sign-up process, and you're going to get immediately put in connection with an account manager. So if you're a store that's doing 10 or more and you're kind of ready to scale, you'll be able to get a Service Points account manager immediately assigned to you. You'll be able to set everything up, connect all the stores, sync all the data, and again, do that smart bidding here, where we're going to have that unique bidding system that makes Service Points just so powerful. The best agents for your products are going to bid, giving you that lower price, higher profit margin, and overall better business relationship. And you'll be able to compare all that. You get weekly smart drop shipping reports done for you. And again, this can't compare to a traditional drop shipper. This is the next level when you do smart drop shipping. Independent and flexible because you have multiple suppliers for different products all working on one platform, bidding against each other so you get the cheapest price. Really, really powerful. You could even create real-time insight into supplier performance and establish SLAs, right? This is really, really powerful for businesses, service level agreements, where you're actually able to have consistency in your business. So you see the link directly below this video. You could look at 5-star review after 5-star review of super happy customers, and all you need to do, press sign up now. And again, the link directly below this video. All you need to do is really just choose which type of seller you are, which type of store level you're at right now. And of course, this could always change. Select this, then you'll be able to sign up. So we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how this works in my account. Okay, now we are inside of my Service Points account, and we're going to be able to get into the good stuff right now. So on your dashboard over here, you'll be able to see your quick stats. And you could actually have multiple stores over here. I'm going to show you the stores section. You'll be able to kind of filter down to individual stores right inside of the dashboard. And of course, you could change date ranges as well into different dates like last week or last 30 days, etc. You'll also see some of your quotations. These are the kind of bids that are coming in from suppliers to source your product. And I'll get to the products in a bit. Really, really cool how this is all set up. You'll be able to find all your settings right over here in the settings section. You can kind of go through here and set up your account information and your fulfillment time zone, email settings, all that good stuff. But you're really going to be working mostly inside of the product section. So when we come over here into stores next, you're going to see that we have a list of stores. And we have the ability to add new stores. And this is really easy. You just have to put in your .myshopify.com domain name and put in your alias, your password, tracking URL if you have something different than 17 track, otherwise it's going to default to that. And when you add your store, it's going to get listed here in the stores section. And the really cool part about when you add a store is that it automatically grabs all of the products. So you see this store that we've connected over here. Here's the My Shopify URL and of course the username, and there's that default tracking information. But you see over here, automatically grabbing our products. So the cool part about that is that, we don't need to import products when we're going out there and getting our supplier quotations. These suppliers that are going to bid on our products, they automatically can go through any of the products in our store. So if they supply a product in our store, it's already going to be listed automatically. And I'll show you that in the products section. So if you needed to, you could delete a store over here as well. Of course, again, adding new stores right there. If we go into orders now, we'll come into orders, and of course, this is a little demo account, but we're going to start to see all of our orders and all of our order criteria right inside here. You'll be able to track everything right inside of your Service Points order section. You can even make special requests. Coming over here to payment, to products, this is the most important section. And remember, I talked about our products before. Automatically grabbing, these are all of our Shopify products. And if you see over here, you could even sort by store. So if you had multiple stores, you can go ahead and sort that way, or just look at one stores, all that great stuff. Now you see that we have some information over here. And some of these are under bidding. Some of these are under quotation accepted. Some of these have not been quoted yet. This is the secret sauce of Service Points. This is smart dropshipping right here, where we're literally getting suppliers to bid to supply our products for dropshipping. Right? You can think of it this way. We're selling, in this case, this snowboard. Okay, this green snowboard product over here. And we are going to be able to, we have a supplier, let's say it costs us $50 to drop ship this product. Maybe we sell it for $100 and we make some nice profit there. But what if we were able to get the product to our customer cheaper? What if our product cost was cheaper? That's the benefit here of allowing for quotations, for bids to come in automatically from those suppliers, and allowing them to basically give the option to say, hey, I'm going to only charge you $15. Or in this case, for this snowboarder, I'm going to charge you $258 and fulfilled by this company, or in this case, $15 fulfilled by that company. Literally all of the information over here, and you see it right on this page. You could literally see what it's going to cost to send to the Netherlands, to Belgium, to Canada. Right? You see processing time, you see shipping time. You even see control, quality control. This is really, really cool. And you see it's high quality, so you have high trust over here. Very, very powerful when you're able to kind of get down to this level and get individual bids from different quotations and suppliers, and quality controlled so you can judge them and vet them to make sure that you want to choose them to source products in your store. So we literally see that all right inside here, and you can click on literally any of these products, and you'll be able to see all this different information. You'll see information about the supplier, their statistics, their shipping rate, their dispute rate, right? And even the recommendation here, super quick with quotations, shipping and processing, ability to customize products, impressive packaging, a great partner in supply chain management, highly recommended. So you don't need to guess. You don't need to hope, right? These guys are not only giving you bids, but you know that in this case, they're going to give you great quality service as well. So really, really powerful when it comes to the product section. And again, all of these products are immediately visible here because you've connected your store. So you don't need to add products manually. You just get pulled automatically right from your store. It works with multiple stores as well. You can make best seller requotes as well, see if you can get better pricing and have direct messaging with your suppliers. Payments, of course, you could see your invoices, receipts, or you could make a new payment depending on what's going on in terms of your costs and what orders you've made. Stock, same thing here. You can take a look at all the different stock available, different services, some upsells here like forwarding and sourcing, return services, and fulfillment services as well. You can literally do all that. See all these different things to do as well. SP fixes, enabling agency accounts on your ad spend to make sure that you don't have any suspended accounts. You see Track B, you see coaching services, you see media buyers, literally everything right inside the services. You could even have your own affiliate program right inside here with service points. You get your link right inside of the account. But really the kind of biggest thing, again, is going to be inside the products, getting those quotations and finding out that you can, make a lot better margin. Maybe you were having this product, a minimal snowboard. Maybe it was costing you $200 to supply it. Now, all of a sudden, James Yu from this company over here, and they have great stats, right? They're linked to over 100,000 factories, right? Showing that they can do it for only $100 and ship it in 7 days. So you could literally change your entire business by increasing profit margin when you work with service points. Another big thing I wanted to point out here in service points, if you come down here to the bottom left, we have our product research tool. And this is totally free when you have your service points account. And this is an entire research tool. You might pay hundreds of dollars monthly for a tool like this. You'll be able to literally see ads and products and stores of your competitors. We could literally search through and do different keywords like cats or like fitness. And we'd literally be able to see live, in this case, ads. We'd be able to see live products. We see all of this information that you'd expect from a very expensive product research tool. You get this included with your account. We have ads over here. We could search through products. Over here in this section, you could even favorite products. So we could start to have a big list of products that we want to add. And of course, all this is filterable and searchable. We have the stores section over here as well. Another important thing over here, the WhatsApp community. All dropship sellers in here. You can connect with people, like-minded sellers, like-minded entrepreneurs. You come over here, click the WhatsApp icon, and you'll be able to join the Service Points WhatsApp community. So that was Service Points. As you saw, incredibly powerful, incredibly easy to use, and really kind of revolutionary in terms of getting those cheaper prices and higher margins for your dropshipping products. Highly recommended. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, I hope you make a huge amount of money with smart dropshipping and service points, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.